Hi, good morning to all. So today we are going to see about the introduction to Python. So before starting the session, I will introduce myself. So my name is Arun Kumar and I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Triple E in VSB Engineering College, Karur. And from the title itself, you may know. So now I'm going to give a small introduction about this Python. So here from the name itself, you can know it. So Python, a mysterious name. So why here they are mentioning about the mysterious name means, so the impact of the Python language is very high today. So that's why the mysterious name has been mentioned here. And this program was introduced by this marvelous man, that is Guido van Rossum in 1991. And you may think why you want to learn Python since you are from a triple background or any other background, that is a EC or mechanical. So many departments are available in engineering, but you want to learn about the Python. Why? That is here itself you can see that is it will give numerous benefits to the beginners and as well as the experienced programmers, because the reasons are being has been listed here. So you can see here that is the first point was mentioned as easy to learn and read. That is since if you are asking the other department students, they may be wonder, the computer students or the IT students may need to program using several syntax and all those things. But here in the Python programming, the syntax is very simple. So that's why here they are given as a easy to learn and read, and it's a high level language. So we can use this Python for any complex programming. So since you know it, there is engineering is nothing but, so we want to give the solution to the problems, what are the things has been identified by the society or the companies. And when you are seeing that second point, there is a versatility. So there is nothing but a wide range of applications, that is data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, automations, and more. Since while I'm mentioning that word artificial intelligence, since during the last 3 to 4 years, the impact of that artificial intelligence are very high. So in all the field, but thus using this Python only, we are going to learn about that artificial intelligence also. And you can see also there is a cross platform, that is we can use this Python programming in Windows, Mac OS, and as well as Linux and other OS also. And the third point here, it has been mentioned as a strong community support. So large community is happening. It's an open software, open source software. So we can able to download it and we can have a we can have a communication with others whenever we are facing any problems or whenever we are having any doubts. So we will we can able to communicate with other developers and we can get the solution for that. And the very important one is the extensive libraries and frameworks. So you can see that. So while we are using that Python, we can get much more libraries by just importing that libraries. For example, here itself they have given Django, Flask, NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow, all those things. And apart from that, while you learn about this Python, it will create very good carry opportunities for you. So you may be from any other background, but when you know about this Python, you may be the beginner or intermediate or otherwise that advanced and level, but it will give you a good job opportunities, career opportunities to you. And you can see here, so you will have different type of roles in the companies itself, like software development, data science, machine learning, web development, and all those things. And integration capabilities has been given as a fifth point, that is, so it can call C, C++, Java, and all the programmings can be called using our libraries itself. And apart from that, it is having that automation and scripting choice also. And you can see here, so educational use is nothing but it will give a good basic foundation to you. And if you have an idea to become a artificial intelligence, there is a engineer or otherwise a data analyst or a data analytics, so this Python will be very helpful for you to get a career in that field also. and it will have a good community, and as well as it will have a good support to you. So since it's a open source, so you can able to download it. So we don't want to pay any amount for this one, so we can download it and we can start to use by simply programming in that Python itself. And the 10th point is nothing but the rapid development. So rapid development is nothing but the efficiency is very good. So that's why here they have given like that a rapid. And while we are seeing about the versions, yes, sir, we are very much interested to learn Python. Yes, obviously. So you can see here. So in the year of 1994, Python 1 was released, and in the year of 2000, Python 2 released. But we are not using this Python 1 and as well as this 1 and as well as this 2. Now we are almost using this Python 3 only, since it has having advanced technologies. That is, it have more libraries and all those things. And you can see here that is on October 2023, Python 3.1 was released, and we are almost using that one. And here the Linux and as well as the OS and the Mac, all those things has been given. And yes, sir. So if you want to install that Python, just search Python in the Google and you can install. And you can see the another most important one is the Python interpreter. That is, the interpreter is written in the C language only. So since why we want to learn the Python is it's having a very simple syntax. So that's why. So we are go for this Python language itself. And here you are seeing online interpreter like Geeks for Geeks, Iodine, and CodePad, and we can able to installing an interpreter. And ideal is also there is an integrated development and the learning environment is also used for the Python. And what is the running of the Python? Yes, sir. When we want to run the Python, so it will have two modes. So there is an interactive mode and as well as the script mode. And in this one, while we are seeing this thing that is running the Python, so why we want to go for the Python? That is, you can see here the very basic one. That is, if you want to print the hello teachers, so just like our human language, we want to type this print and we want to give this hello teachers, then automatically your output will come like this hello teachers. And obviously when you are seeing about this hello teachers, so this is the characters. So and this one will be considered as a variable. Okay, and apart from that, here that is a equal to 10. So 10 is nothing but the numbers. No, so there is a numers, there is a numbering a equal to 10. So when you are called print a, then it is going to give 10 as a out. And here also it's a simple one. That is in a day to day life, or when you are having a discussion with others, what we will do, that is x is equal to 10 and z is equal to x plus 20. So obviously, so z is equal to, so already, so we have mentioned x is equal to 10. So 10 plus then 20. Then what is will be your answer when we are calling that z? So it is nothing but, sorry, here I have mentioned 10 plus 10, so it is called as a 20. The answer is 20. But here when we are calling this x and as well as 20, so here we are getting the answer as 30. And while we are seeing about the script mode, that is nothing but we want to call upon our command prompt and we are going to run our files. And the main thing, yes, this is the main thing you want to know while you are interested to learn about the Python. And the very basic thing in the Python is data types. That is, in the Python we are having a various standard data types. So one is integer, and the next one is a float, and the next one is a boolean, and the next one is string. That is, so integer is nothing but you know it, so the numbers from 0 to 9. And float is nothing but whenever we are having a dot and we are having some numbers, dot 10, that is 10.10. So here this point and 10 will be called as a float, And the boolean, as a boolean is nothing but we are having the true or false. That is, whenever your answers are true, so it will shows true, or otherwise it is going to be give the answer as a false. So that's called as a class bool or boolean. And the string, so string is nothing but the normal characters what we are using, or otherwise after that characters we may also use the numbers also. But usually the strings are nothing but the characters, like hello, or how are you, I am Arun Kumar. So like this we are going to introduce, or we are giving the input to the Python node, so that one will be called as the string. And while we are going to this integer part, that is here you can see here, that is for this print 246, some numbers has been given here, and when you run this print in the Python, it will be display this output like that. Here binary and hexadecimal has been given here, and it's advanced level. We will see about these things in the later slides, or otherwise in the next class. And you can see here, yes, already saw told a equal to 11. While you are printing a, why it is showing like this class integer? Because here we are calling only the type. Okay, not that we are calling this variable. Since a has been mentioned as the variable, so we are not calling this variable, we are calling only the type. So that's why here it has been given as a class integer. Okay, right. So we will see the remaining things in the next class. Thank you.